children, welcome to my channel Let's Learn with Monami. Hello Monami.
Hello teacher. Hello friends.
Today we are going to learn these two sight words, here and there. Here, H-E-R-E, here. There, T-H-E-R-E, there. Here refers to anything which is near or closer. There, when we talk about that place or at that point in time. Now let us understand how to use them in sentences. Do you see those horses trotting here?
And so many cows are grazing there.
Yes, you're absolutely right. Have you seen that I have kept some books here?
It is there on the top of that cupboard.
Oh yes.
It is so hot over here.
Yes. But there in the hills, it is so calm and cool. Practice time. Place the correct word. Big Bunny eats
Here.
and Big Bunny sleeps.
There.
Correct. My dog is
Here.
and my cat is.
There.
Well done. All the cars are parked
Here.
and scooters.
There.
Good job. My cornfield is
Here.
and my sunflower garden is.
There.
Well done. Thank you children for learning with Monami. Hope you have enjoyed today's lesson. And please like, subscribe.
And share the channel.
See you in our next episode. Till then, bye.
Bye friends.